Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting power and permissions right. Plug the device in and charge until the indicator shows at least half. This prevents interruptions during pairing. Next, install the Fitcloudpro app on your phone so you have the companion interface. Make sure Bluetooth is on and accept the app's requests for location and notifications because they let the device sync and alert you. Once done, open the app and follow its initial prompts to begin device discovery and registration. Now pair the watch to your phone, open the app and choose Add Device, then pick Fitcloudpro from the scan list. When a code appears, confirm it on both the watch and your phone to establish a secure link. The app will usually prompt a firmware update. Install it. Updates fix bugs and add features. Keep the devices close and don't force close the app while syncing. Make sure the initial sync completes so your profile, alarms, and settings transfer correctly. Finish by tailoring settings to your routine. In the app, enter height, weight, and goals so metrics are accurate. Select your dominant hand for step counting. Choose watch faces, enable notifications you want, and schedule sleep tracking and activity reminders. If something fails, like no sync or missing data, restart the Fitcloudpro and your phone, toggle Bluetooth, and retry pairing. If that still fails, reinstall the app and repair. This resets corrupted settings while preserving your account data in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.